Hello everyone and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. I am the host of this channel. My name is Kaye and I am participating in TABLESCAPE Tuesday, which is shown every Tuesday at 6 p.m. The host is Anna with the Grace Life DIY. She sometimes has a co-host. This week she does not. My video may be late because I got a little bit mixed up. I didn't know if we had a theme, but this is a no theme week. But I had a video that I wanted to do in honor of Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. It's the Tuesday before the 4th of July, which is in just a few days, which is also my wedding anniversary. So I would like to wish my husband happy anniversary. We will be married 33 years, 33 wonderful years on Friday, the 4th of July. So, of course, my theme for this is the 4th of July. It's one of my favorite days of the year. Happy anniversary and happy Independence Day to everyone. I'm going to get right into the video so that way I won't waste anyone's time. Be safe, enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all of the sweet comments that I always get. And once again, thanks to Anna for hosting this TABLESCAPE Tuesday and all the other collaborations that she puts together. I'm sure it is a lot of work. Go ahead, enjoy the video. I've said enough. Bye.